Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're doing some cleaning. So I'm starting the whole cleaning process by disassembling this group head. So I've just got to take the old gasket out, the shower screen holder, this solenoid. And this is where things got a little interesting, because these two pieces are supposed to come apart, but as you can see, it's clearly very stuck. I resorted to using this screwdriver, but didn't seem to really work. So I decided to put it in some Kefisa, see if I can get them to come apart, and hopefully that works. Then I moved on to just using some Barkeep's Friend to cleaning up these outer panels, and later on in the video you'll be able to see the results. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. The Kefisa did a pretty good job of getting rid of most of the gunk, but I just had to get in there manually with a toothbrush to try and get off most of it. It was pretty stubborn. I'm guessing these things have never been cleaned properly in 20 years, so after I got most of the gunk off, I had to descale everything because there's still some spots in there. So I just put in some citric acid solution, and same for this heating element. So now you'll be able to see what it looks like. All right, now you can see the results. So you can see everything cleaned up really well. Now I just need some gaskets. So there's a group head gasket that goes in here. There's another gasket that goes in here. This shower screen holder thingy goes here, and then the shower screen goes on top. Here's a really dirty one for reference. Get a new one for that. Then this part goes on top like this. And I'm also going to need some new gaskets, O-rings for this. So really happy with how that turned out. Now, the heating element. Take a look at that. I think that turned out pretty well. Now, I'm not sure if this is damage to the copper or not, because as you can see, it's kind of like this sparkly pattern. I don't really know how else to describe it. Those big chunks of scale that had come off in that lovely bath. Some parts didn't come off, but not too worried about it. I think it should be fine. I don't see any reason why this heating element shouldn't work, but I guess time will tell. And now I will show you these. I mean, like, come on, look at this. Turned out really well. Obviously there's some spots here, and it's got some patina, but pretty amazing, the transformation. Oh yeah, I didn't clean the back super well because it was getting tough. This piece as well. Pretty amazing, the transformation. And this was the top. Just a little Barkeep's Friend. It's cool, you can see the number of the machine. It's also stamped or engraved, I guess, in the casing that goes on the outside with the people on it. And lastly, I'd just like to show you this. This is a portafilter handle that I had made for my other machine. And I'm going to make some more custom ones for this machine. It's just a matter of getting back in the wood shop. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like what you see, please consider liking and subscribing because it really helps me out. This week, I'm going to try my hand at doing some copper plating. I've got muriatic acid, a 12-volt battery, and a piece of copper. So, should be fun. See you in a couple weeks.